Whether you want to illuminate the hallways or your entire home, the Lumary 4-inch smart recessed light will help you to do so with its bright and smart LEDs. This 4-inch gimbal recessed light has a 26-degree beam angle, can tilt 90 degrees and swivel a full 360 degrees, allowing you to focus on your artwork, walls, sculptures, and other objects to suit your decorating needs. With 16 million color options, you can adjust the brightness from 1% to 100% along with the tone from warm to cool white, which is between 2700 and 6500 Kelvin. The light only needs 7 watts of electricity to deliver 600 lumens of lighting, which is brighter than other LED recessed lights on the market. After you've downloaded the Lumary app and logged into your account, you can add the smart recessed light through the app's auto scan feature, which will detect any nearby Lumary device. With the app, you'll be able to create a group of Lumary smart recessed lighting in your home and control them in a unified way. Moreover, when connected to the app, these smart gimbal recessed lights can change colors to the beat of music or game sounds. On top of all that, it's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and with just a simple command, you can turn them on or off. So, if you want to illuminate your entire home with smart recessed lights and enjoy incredible smart life features, then you can't go wrong with the Lumary 4-inch smart recessed light.